What's up guys, it's me Nathan. It's been a pretty long day since I did a video. So yeah, I do not have Roblox anymore because I don't know, they banned me for being because I emote on noobs. Yeah, that maybe the noobs. And anyways, whoever I bullied, actually sorry bro. I just did it for a little bit some fun, you know. I've been bullied since I was level 58. Yeah, as you can notice now, I've been not uploading about Blox Fruits because this. And this is the other app that I've been playing since the past days. But it's literally June in the morning. I just woke up to make this video. But what should we do? So everybody knows this family life game, but it's a different family now. But yeah, this startup game, yeah. So I'm gonna make another series about. I'm gonna play all of these games, starting with Boba Story, but I'm gonna do it later because I just gonna check on this game. And in case you don't know, I also have a TikTok, and you better enjoy my TikTok too, and share it whenever you want. And I do videos. I'm not gonna be not uploading for a very long time. I'll be uploading for I'll upload in the next month. Just kidding. I'm gonna upload when it's. But this video I'm gonna upload today. But I'm gonna upload another video on. Sunday, but it won't be not. I'm just gonna count on Sundays, okay? But it will be a shorts, not a video. So, oh yeah, forgot. Okay. Oh my gosh, this game is very cringe. But when you get older in the game, I'm just gonna stop talking for now because I'm annoying. Winfred, Steven, they don't like their name. So they're all the sister is 19 years old. Ella, that hurts, bro. I'm gonna beat 16-year-old. That looks like a girl, bro. What? And Steve, that just got born 3 years ago. Okay. I'm getting bored. I just want these children to get older. Derry has reached the age to go to university. Yeah, blah blah blah. Just mathematics. He likes mathematics, right? I would be Daryl right now. I would be this guy. Handsome there. 10 years later? Oh no. What's this? I'm gonna read it in my mind. There, perfect. I'm not gonna play them. Bro, stop. Who's okay, I'm just gonna skip this annoying ad. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro. Stop ads. You just, if I see an ad, it ruins my day. An ad. Bro. Why do they even make ads? Just to make people get annoyed, and whoever makes ads gets money because they force people to watch it. That's like forcing people to watch it, but they don't. So I don't fully watch them. So that's why they regretted making ads. Because I don't fully complete the ad. Yeah. Education is perfect. Okay. I'm still waiting for 7 years. Okay. Oh yeah. We got somebody else to give us something. He's already 6. Now. Sophia was invited to participate in a music program. What did he say? Okay, perfect. Okay. Yeah, good job. Okay, 7-year-old Steve is close to my age. A newcomer. Okay. They asked me the same question a long time ago. Okay, everybody has to go to public areas now, so they get more friends. Daryl has graduated from university. You have to be like your big sis. Oh no. Meanwhile, the little dog says, "Woof, woof, wait, where's your yarn?" Doesn't exercise regularly. Yep. Wait, we had that in the same thing. That's the same thing what happened to Ella when she was her age. Parents got they are gaining beards now. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, this 50-year-old man is close to retiring. Yep. Bro got a job too. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna wait because it's gonna give me an award. Oh my gosh. Ads, why do you ruin my day? I gotta wait, bro. This is boring. Why do you guys even make ads? Whoever makes ads, you can't run and you can't hide for long. My other friend has made an ad, so I'm gonna stop him. Hey bro, what? Stop making ads. No. Bro, do it or else I'll shoot you. Alright. There, yeah. Sophia thinks so. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh my gosh, bro. You need more friends, bro. Bro, he's older than me now. Perfect. University? Oh. Okay, here. Bruh. There. Okay, this girl is about. Oh no, the dog is gonna die later. Why, I'm older than this girl. Oh wait. Okay, this guy's a little bit older than me. Because this annoying ads ruin my day. Close the turning. Bro, stop. I'm gonna conceal this, all of you here. What is more? Yeah. I'm getting bored. Oh, too loud noises. I'm annoyed by loud noises. What game is this anyways? This. I should update this. I should I think about. I wanna make this. I wanna try this, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay. And now we're gonna start with the Boba story. Yeah, I know I'm cringe. Hi, babe. Okay, if I'm done okay, I'm getting bored. I don't want to. Instead of that, I'm gonna make another video next time. And I will make a short on Sundays. I hope I could. Well, let's go. See you next time, fellow fans, if I have some. Because I have a fan in front of me right now. It's a ceiling fan. Just kidding. It's not a ceiling fan. It's a fan that's in front of me. It's electric. Bruh. Okay, see you guys in the next video. And take care of your pets if you have some. Okay? Don't just push them or anything. Just adopt them. But stay cool and enjoy games if you're a kid. And it's okay if you're a YouTuber. And I never thought of a YouTuber ever gonna watch me, so yeah. See you guys in the next year.